A typical digital writing critique gives a student at least 4 different ways to receive feedback on his or her writing. One way is to look for comments that have been inserted into the critique by the student's professor. These comments typically are boldface and appear between brackets, so they're pretty easy for the student to pick out. A second way is for the student to follow these hyperlinks that the professor will have left in the critique. For example, here the student exceeded our 30-word limit on leads, so the student can click on this lead link that the professor has left, and over here read some information that comes up about what a lead is and what the properties of a correctly written lead are. Thirdly, in a digital writing critique, the submissions from every student for that assignment are simply stacked on top of one another in a single file here, along with whatever feedback the professor has provided. So any one student in the class can view and benefit from the feedback that the professor has provided to all of the other students in the course. Finally, in a typical critique, the professor will include a link to the professor's example of how the assignment could have been completed. And when that link is clicked on, that example also comes up over here in the left pane for the student to look at and learn from. So there are a lot of different ways for a student to get feedback on his or her writing and on how the assignment could have been done correctly.